While watching bullish price actions, let us inform you. Our review on PTPI, Petros Pharmaceuticals, just sent shockwaves through the market, and investors are clearly paying attention. The company, best known for Stendra, its patent-protected erectile dysfunction drug, has been working to revolutionize how consumers access medications by leading the push for prescription to over-the-counter (RX-to-OTC) switches. This is a huge deal because it eliminates the need for doctor visits and prescriptions, making treatments far more accessible to the average consumer. Stendra already has an edge in the ED space. It kicks in as quickly as 15 minutes, can be taken with or without food, and remains under patent protection, which means it doesn't have to compete with generic versions like Viagra and Cialis do. But today's market explosion wasn't just about Stendra. It was about artificial intelligence, big data, and a bold step toward transforming the future of healthcare access. Pre-market trading saw Petros surge 140%, and even after some profit-taking, the stock closed up 133%. That kind of move doesn't happen unless investors see something massive on the horizon. So, what's causing all the excitement? Petros just announced a collaboration with a leading big data and analytics company to integrate AI-driven technology into its platform, designed to streamline our RX-to-OTC switches. If they pull this off, it could be a game changer, not just for Petros, but for the entire pharmaceutical industry. Right now, transitioning a prescription drug to OTC status is a long, complicated process. The FDA requires proof that consumers can safely diagnose themselves and use the medication properly without a doctor's supervision. This means years of regulatory hurdles, safety studies, and market testing. That's where Petros' AI-powered system comes in. It's designed to automate credentialing, verify patient identity, and ensure compliance in a way that could potentially accelerate approvals and open up a whole new world of consumer access to formerly prescription-only drugs. If this works, it could be massive. We've seen it happen before. Claritin, Prilosec, and Flonase all started as prescription medications before making the OTC switch, and now they're billion-dollar brands. If Petros succeeds in moving Stendra to OTC, it would open up a much bigger market, one where consumers don't need a prescription and can just buy the product online or in stores. But here's the real kicker. This isn't just about one drug. If Petros' AI-driven system proves effective, it could become a blueprint for other companies looking to bring their RX drugs into the OTC space. That means Petros wouldn't just be an ED-focused pharma company anymore. They'd be a tech-enabled leader in the future of self-care and digital health solutions. That's the kind of shift that can redefine a company's long-term growth trajectory. This move signals a huge strategic pivot for Petros. Until now, it's mostly been seen as a niche player in men's health, focusing on prescription drugs and medical devices. But with this new AI-powered platform, it's stepping into a much bigger role, one that blends pharmaceuticals, AI, and consumer health technology. Investors love a strong narrative, and this one has all the elements of a major transformation story. Short-term, expect some volatility. Stocks that spike over 100% in a single day usually see pullbacks as short-term traders take profits. But long-term, this could be just the beginning. For investors looking at the bigger picture, here's what to watch. Regulatory progress. The FDA process is slow, and Petros will need to prove that its AI-powered platform meets safety and compliance requirements. How well the technology performs. If this system really does help speed up our RX-to-OTC transitions, it could open doors for other pharmaceutical companies to license or adopt the technology. That would be a whole new revenue stream for Petros. New partnerships. If this model works, could Petros team up with larger pharma companies to facilitate even more OTC conversions? That could be a huge expansion opportunity. The bottom line? Petros Pharmaceuticals just redefined itself. Instead of being just another small-cap pharma company, it's stepping into the world of AI-driven healthcare innovation. If they execute well, This stock could have a lot more room to run. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks.